Hi, I'm Tony Buti, the West Australian Minister for Citizenship and Multicultural Interests. Welcome to another episode of our Multicultural Cooking Series. We're here at the Stirling Adriatic Centre. This is a centre for the Croatian community of Western Australia, and we're in their great kitchen, and I have with us a number of people. Mira, thank you for allowing us to be here.
Thank you.
And could you introduce us to your friends?
Yeah, my friend is Maria, Ilanka and Jurka.
So you're going to help us do some cooking today. So what are we doing? What are we doing?
Today we're cooking sarma, that's Croatian, and English it's cabbage roll.
We'll look forward to it.
Yeah.
Obviously this is the cabbage.
Yeah.
So how do we prepare the cabbage?
We just put a cooked head in a boiling water. We just make them soft. Then we tag them one by one and put them on this position.
And then how long do you have to leave it here before you...
straight away from
Straight
the
away.
first one.
Okay. So that's the cabbage leaves and...
That was mincemeat and fried onions and all spices and paprika,
Nutmeg, pepper,
pancetta.
parsley, rice.
Okay.
And mix everything together.
Yeah.
And
then we do the then we roll it up.
Make it
Then we
roll
roll
up.
it.
Okay, so you want to give us a demonstration? So you get the mince, put it on the cabbage
Yes,
leaf.
and just roll it. Another side, then you're rolling.
Shall I give it a go?
Yeah, go.
Okay, so what about that much? How's that?
Perfect.
There you go, eh? Beautiful. Okay, shall we do these last bit? So, can you let us know, when did you come to Australia from Croatia?
68. I come from.
I come 1960.
I come in 67.
And 1966.
No, so you've been here quite a long time, eh?
All our life.
Right. And so this dish that we do in here, is this a staple of the Croatian diet, or do you have it any
Most
time?
people cooking.
That's the winter stuff, you know.
Winter.
Yeah.
Can you cook it and then leave it and have it cold, or is
No,
it
no,
raw?
no. You eating the hot with the mashed potatoes.
Mashed potato. What have we got here? Cabbage.
Fresh cabbage and sauerkraut.
No, it's the sauerkraut. Okay,
Yeah,
all right. So what are we going to do with it?
You just put a saucepan here and we just cook.
Like that.
Oh, okay. Oh, and that's what you cook it in. Oh, this is how you cook it.
Then we
Right.
put sauce and cook it.
Oh, okay. So we put all of them in, do we? You've got a lot of cabbage, eh? You've got the sauerkraut and then you've got the cabbage rolls.
Yeah.
So now where do we go with this?
So cooking. For tomato sauce, we cut the onions, little bit garlic, and
Right.
that's it.
All right. So what do I do? I put it in
Yes.
Yeah, just on top.
on top of it?
Like that. Yes.
Okay, so now we have the sauce with the cabbage roll and the sauerkraut.
Yes.
We're going to put this go over and put it on the stove, right?
Yes.
And how long will we cook it
At
for?
least 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah, and
Slow.
And slow, on the slow, that's good.
It's more cook, it's more better.
Could you get the flavour,
But
you know?
yes, special is better cook one day before.
Ah.
It's coming really good.
Okay.
Because
Well,
sauce go through the
Yeah.
stuff here.
yeah, soak it through. Okay, let's go over. I can smell that the tomato sauce and the cabbage. So why don't we give it a taste, eh? See what it's like. Very hearty. This is just perfect for a winter. This is what I call a very tasty cabbage roll. It's actually beautiful. So the
thank you.
sauce and the cabbage. So that sauerkraut, I think, really gives it that bit of extra kick. So listen, ladies, you've been in Australia a long time.
Yes.
So how long have you each been a member of the club?
30 years.
30 years.
Yeah, I become member in 1971 when
It's over 50 years.
I was in Canada at that time, and then I have to be member of the club to go on the first aeroplane that come from Yugoslavia to get on. So I have to.
Over 50 years, that's amazing.
Since that night, I'm
You've been here.
continuing to. Yeah.
Well, you're a great club person, aren't you? You're a great
Yeah,
club.
we are.
Are you all life members?
Me.
She is
How long
like,
have you been a member of the club?
71.
So
Yeah.
same.
Yeah.
How long?
2 years only.
Only 2 years. Oh, you're a newbie. You're a newbie. But listen, look, this is really fantastic. So as you're saying, this is a stable cuisine. You eat this normally in Croatia, but mainly winter
Yeah.
yeah,
with the potatoes.
Yeah, you can eat.
Oh, you can eat
but,
summer too.
but
Yeah.
warm you up this week during the...
Well, let me have another bite. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this show today. Go to the AAMI website if you want to see other shows in the Multicultural series. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Thanks very much for having us here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks for coming.